Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to learn how to draw Grimace, and it's from Mcdonald's. It's going to be step-by-step for beginners, so let's get started, okay? First thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to start with a curve for the top of Grimace's head. By the way, don't forget, if you're a fan of Grimace or McDonald's or, the Grimace Shake, hit the like button, okay? It's going to let me know what to draw more of, or if you enjoyed it. Keep going down just a bit. He's kind of like this big triangle for the most part, and I'm gonna kind of keep going down on this side as well, just kind of down along the sides. I'm gonna leave a space, decent space, so I can draw the rest of his body first. So we're gonna keep going down over here, downward, curve around the corner, right there. Over here on this side, downward, curve around the corner, okay? Continue to draw across the bottom right there. I think Grimace is a taste bud, right? Can somebody tell me what he is? I could have swore he was a taste bud. That's what he's supposed to be. Because everybody's like, what is he? But yeah, let me know in the comments. I thought that's what it was. Down. Let me know if I'm right or wrong. Down over here for his feet. Down here for the center of the feet. Pulling out, up. And right here on this side, pulling out, back right here for his other foot. All right, so far so good, simple. Yep. Let's go over here and draw his face now. And his face, he has a pretty interesting face, I think. So we're gonna go over here and draw a circle for his eye. And a circle for the other eye. Line right here, he's got that droopy-eyed look. Dot, pretty big dot. Dot over here. And then curve line underneath. And curve line underneath, right there. Kind of that top lip. He's got like that cleft in the top lip. Alright, line over there for the edges of the corner of the mouth. Don't forget, by the way, if you like learning how to draw anything, I go over how to draw Sonic, dinosaurs, Godzilla. Anything you ask, I will go over, and I have a drawing lesson every single day. Very simple. All of them aimed at beginners, so if you're a beginner and you want to have a little bit of a dose of drawing of like a favorite character, hit the subscribe, click the bell notification, and just say hi, what's up? We're a community here, and I hope you enjoy it. But definitely there's no downside in subscribing. I'm going to go over here underneath. Curve under, like that for the underneath the mouth. And now we're going to draw a line right here for the tongue. Now I'm going to fill it in. Here. And then line underneath the mouth. And then we're going to go over here for the what do you call it? Eyebrows right there. Curve right here. Curve right here. You can kind of, if you want to make them more angry, you can, but I'm just going to make them mellow like that. Chill. And let's draw a line up here for the thumb. Curve. 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 Line up here. Line up here. For the other hand. And in the other hand, we're going to draw the shake that he tends to have. So right over here, we're going to draw a thumb. Downward over here for the cup. Line across the bottom. Upward. And as we go up, I'm going to draw his fingers on the other side of that, okay? So one circle. It's almost like a couple of eggs. I don't know if he has 4 or 5 fingers. I can't tell. But we're just going to make him like he has overall 4 fingers. Line up over here for the top of that cup. Another thin layer for the top of that cup right there. And then we're going to draw a line right here, out, down. Right on. So for very typical Grimace, what we're going to do now is I'm going to draw a thicker line around the entire thing. Or you can even draw like a wiggly line right here for design on the cup itself. But I'm going to draw a thicker line. On the side over here. Like so. Curve down. Line over here. Downward. Line over here. And kind of line over there. Just kind of keeping, again, the reason I like doing a thicker line around the edge is I kind of feel like it's, I don't know, I feel like it's very, it makes it look more like a sticker, and it kind of gives it that kind of contained feeling. And you're going to find that I do that for a lot of my drawings, honestly. Like, I like putting that extra thick line on the outside because it just kind of makes, it contains all these other shapes with it. So, just kind of, you know, again, keep that in mind. Let me know if you've tried that Grimace Shake. I have never tried it. Please let me know. I am not going to try it, probably, I'll be honest. But yeah, let me know if you've tried that or not. Keep going over here. Don't forget, by the way, we have a free How to Draw Cute ebook. It is in the description, so go take a look at that. Hopefully you enjoy it. It is basically like when you go over something, how to draw something cute, right? There is a kind of science to that, right? It's simple too. So like some people think draw every feature big or every feature small for something cute. It's not like that. It's like you draw a bigger head, smaller body, bigger eyes, smaller nose, some smaller mouth. Or you know, it just depends. And that's something I wanted to go over that. So I made a very, very simple ebook that you can go over, 100% free. I used to sell it, but now it is free. So that's my gift to you guys for even, if you stayed this long into the video, that's pretty much my gift. You can find a link in the description, but it is all about proportions, and that's really important to learn, that proportions is such a huge, huge thing. But yeah, hopefully you'll go over that ebook and enjoy it. But I want to thank you very much. You're amazing. If you want any other character drawn, let me know. I can draw maybe the other Mcdonald's characters or something like that. Please, please be vocal. Say what's up in the comment section. I will see you next time, okay? Talk to you soon. And I think that's pretty much it. Don't forget, we have coloring books that we sell on Amazon. I put the link in the description. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time, all right? See you later, art addicts, and I will see you soon, all right? Later.